Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Mindhero indicator for MT4. This signal indicator plots simple up and down arrows on the price chart to show bullish and bearish conditions without repainting once a candle closes. In this tutorial, you will see what the arrows represent, where it works, and how it is positioned for different trader types. The Mindhero indicator for MT4 plots real-time trend reversal signals and helps identify important price swings by marking bullish and bearish conditions with arrows. It is a straightforward trading signal indicator that displays upward pointing blue arrows for bullish setups and downward pointing red arrows for bearish setups. Once the candle is closed, the indicator does not repaint its signals, which makes historical analysis and review more reliable. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you see how it looks in real time. Okay, so now we have it installed, and as you can see, it's quite easy to interpret. On the chart, a blue arrow plotted below candlesticks indicates that the indicator is reading bullish conditions, whereas a red arrow plotted above candlesticks indicates bearish conditions. The indicator can be used on intraday charts as well as daily, weekly, and monthly charts, making it usable for both short-term and long-term trading. Because the indicator does not specify profit targets and can generate many signals per day, traders are encouraged to combine it with candlestick patterns, price levels, and other tools. As for settings, the indicator is presented as simple to use, with the main output being the up and down arrows. Its behavior is consistent across time frames, and it is designed so beginner and experienced traders can incorporate it into existing methods by adding their own stop loss and take profit rules. As for who is for, the Mindhero indicator is described as basic and effective for beginning Forex traders, reducing stress by providing clear arrow-based signals. Because it generates many trade indications, traders are advised to use price action or other technical indicators to filter signals and to manage position size, leverage, and number of open positions carefully. It does not guarantee profits and should be combined with strong risk management and additional analysis to handle false or lower quality signals. You can download the Mindhero indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek shows how its non-repainting arrows can help you identify swing highs and lows and define entries and exits more objectively. If you appreciate simple arrow-based indicators, subscribe to the Forex Geek channel and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.